Now that 20.2 has been announced, I hope your forearms, shoulders, and calves are ready because we're going to prepare you for the double under. So when performing the double under, especially under high volume, there are a few areas in the body that we definitely need to get ready so they can handle that workload. The first is going to be our forearms and wrists. Secondly is going to be our shoulders. And then lastly, we're going to get our calves ready for all the jumping. For our first movement prep, we'd have you get on the floor with your hands placed directly in front of you. From here, open the fingers as wide as possible and go through some internal and external rotation of the shoulders and the forearm. This will get your hands and wrists ready to be going through that circular motion that we use a lot in the double under. For our second move, we'd like you to warm up your shoulders. Very similar to the wrist and forearm, a very easy arm circle can warm up the shoulders for all of the circular motion that we'll be going through. Simply take your arms and go through a circular motion to the front for 20 to 30 reps, and then repeat going backwards for the same amount. If you don't feel that your shoulders are quite warm enough with the 20 to 30 repetitions, go for a full minute in both directions. The main key is to feel heat in the shoulders. For our last movement prep, we'd like you to get your calf and Achilles warm for all the jumping that you're going to be doing. Start with 30 seconds of hopping in place on both feet. Once we complete that, we'll perform 15 to 20 seconds alternating back and forth from right leg single leg hops and left leg single leg hops. Repeat this process of 30 seconds for both feet and then 15 seconds on each side for 2 full minutes. Thank you so much for joining us for this video. We hope that the tips we provided are helpful for you. If you or a loved one are suffering with pain of any kind, click the link right here to find out where your local Airrosti provider is. For more videos like this, check out the link above. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. Click that, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date with our latest videos. We'll see you on the next one.